Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, I didn't just wake up like 10 minutes ago. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this is a clean with me. Figured why not? And if this isn't the quality content you came here for, then I don't know. But I'm pretty sure you like these types of videos because you watch my declutter videos. So I do really enjoy these types of videos personally. I find them very therapeutic and very satisfying. So I thought I would go ahead and turn on the camera while I tidy up my apartment. I literally intentionally left things dirty so I could film this today. It's kind of weird filming first thing in the morning. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Why are my hands like this? And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any time that I post, which is once a week on Sundays. And hit the like button so I know that you like these types of videos, and leave a comment down below requesting any type of video that you would like to see, and we will see if it happens. Yeah, so if you need to clean up your place too, go ahead and turn this on and turn on some music and play it along with me, because I'm gonna have some non-copyrighted music in here. Play along with me, clean along with me, but I'm gonna be playing some music on here. Yeah, that's everything. Hi, are you my assistant?